Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel Caboose that arrived with the Lehigh Valley hopper and that Lionel gondola. Anyway, I pulled this apart, still haven't cleaned it up, but I pulled it apart and replaced the bulb with something that's actually brighter. So I just want to do a quick video on this. As you see, this old locomotive is up and running, or this old Caboose is up and running perfectly. Good, steady, bright light, flicker free. And as you see, it was definitely worth the $5. There's no doubt about that. So anyway, I'm happy with it. It's a nice heavy Caboose. Steel wheels, steel trucks, front and rear coupler, and it's lighted. So $4.99 each for all the cars, the hopper, the Caboose, and that gondola. So anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up on this. Modified a standard bulb. The Lionel uses bayonet mount bulbs. They just aren't very bright. They're like automotive bulbs. Anyway, so I just modified a standard screw-in bulb and modified it so I could use it in that bayonet socket. And as you see, it's good and bright, flicker-free. It's a really nice Caboose. It was definitely worth the $5. There's no doubt about that. It's in really, really decent shape. It's still dirty. I haven't cleaned it up yet. But as you see, it's lighted, it's complete, it's intact, no damage, and it was $4.99. If you can actually read this. There we go. Anyway, Robin found him in Nashville at a antique store, thrift store, junk shop, something. She hits a lot of those things. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. Up and running, so I'll pull the shell off, get it good and cleaned up, clean those windows. There's glass in every one of those windows. It's going to be a nice Caboose. Anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.